Yeah, let us talk about doctrine of separation of powers. This is from honors syllabus, legal and constitutional history of India. Here I am going to cover all the important questions because I heard that OU is going to conduct re-exam again. So whatever it is, we'll try to do the best in that. So let us start with the first one of the important discussions in history is separation of powers or doctrine of separation of powers. The doctrine of separation of powers means that there are three main functions of the government, that is legislative, executive and judicial powers. They should be separate and independent, and one should not interfere with or exercise the powers of another. So, separation of powers is that it prevents concentration of power in a single authority. So, here we have legislative, that is legislature, which makes laws, executive, which implements and enforces laws, and judiciary, that interprets and applies laws, which is called as tripartite division of government. Why it is done? It is mainly to check and balance, or to prevent abuse of power and protect individual liberty. This kind of division is called as tripartite division of government. So we find that in this, it is mainly the independence of each organ. Each organ functions independently and without interference from the others. So this is just the origin. Then, as I told you, this is the main thing. Misuse of power, maintains checks and balances, ensure liberty and rule of law. It also helps in non-interference. Then accountability is also one of the feature what we find. What are the important features here is division of governmental functions, independence of each organ, system for checks and balances. Why it is done, why this separation of powers is needed means to prevent concentration of power, to protect liberty and rights of individuals, to maintain efficiency and specialization, to ensure rule of law, that is, ensure every action of the government is according to law and subjects to judicial scrutiny, to maintain balance among the organs of the state. That is the important thing. So, when what are the advantages or importance of it means protecting democracy, avoid dictatorship, promotes efficient administration, then prevents abuse of power, ensures independence of judiciary, guarantees freedom to everyone, encourages accountability. These are the important functions. Then these are some of the important case laws related with this. Just mention the name, that's more than enough. So this is what we are going to study. Separation of powers. In conclusion, you need to write as separation of powers ensures good governance. It protects fundamental rights and democratic structure.